Good morning. My friend Sharon wanted to know how to season cast iron, so I'm going to show you the steps. These are the two pans that I use most of the time. You can see this is like my favorite. They're both in desperate need of seasoning. They have this dull appearance to them, and that's usually a pretty good sign. This is a 10-inch skillet, and this is I don't know, probably a 10-inch round griddle. They are both clean. They are both super dry. I'm going to season them with avocado oil. I've used olive oil and vegetable oil in the past. I'm going to try avocado oil this time because why not? I have my oven preheating to 350, and I put a piece of aluminum foil in the oven because I'm going to put these in upside down to bake, and that way the aluminum foil will catch any drips. So I added a small amount of avocado oil, and now I am literally just going to cover the skillet in the oil. I think I might have added too much, but that's okay. That's why we have aluminum foil, right? It's going to catch all the extra drips. I'm going to do that with this pan and with the other, and then we're going to put them in the oven upside down. It's a pretty simple process. I think people get intimidated because, you don't have to season Teflon, but Teflon can produce like a Teflon flu, and it's from the chemicals that the Teflon is giving off while you're using it. So please don't use Teflon. Please, 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 for your kids' sakes, for your sake, switch to cast iron and stainless steel or ceramic. Okay, so I have the oil rubbed all over. I even went up the sides on both pans. You want to cover the entire cooking surface, and what the oil does is it's going to fill in any little holes that are in the surface of the cast iron, and it makes it a more non-porous type surface, and that's exactly what you want for making this a more non-stick kind of pan, like a Teflon. You are always going to have food, though, that sticks in these. There's no getting around it. You're going to have to scrub sometimes. No, you cannot put them in the dishwasher. I would never recommend soaking them in a sink full of water. But I will be showing you another video here soon, the next time I make a meal, of how to clean these with just salt. That's all you need to clean a cast iron pan. So I'm gonna throw these in the oven now. All right, they're in the oven, upside down. I tried to center them over that foil as much as possible. Hopefully it'll work. We're gonna let those go in 350-degree oven for about an hour. Then you shut the oven off and you just let them cool in the oven. You don't take them out until they are totally, totally cool. So there you have it, how to season cast iron. All right, finished product. You can see how much shinier they are, which is good. They're definitely kind of sticky. So I have the water getting super hot here, and I'm gonna fill them with water and just let them sit for a minute, and then all I'm gonna do is just wipe them down with a rag, and they should be good to go. Easy as that.